Hi to everyone, my name is Everton and in this video I'd like to show the result of the Spirit Ticket Travel. This is on a platform where anyone can buy tickets for travel, and it was a challenge proposed by Just Travel Company to a front-end developer process selective, and it was created using Next, TypeScript and Redux for state management. And let me show you now. I created some things that is not in the requested. For example, we can like the ticket in the list and it is not right in the requested. And I also put the interactivity with the user for the price and for the type of property. So we can change the option here, but it's not updating the list because I don't have an carry for that. And but for the search and for the pagination it is working correctly as it should. So if, for example, if I try to search for Praia, it should return all tickets with Praia. I also put this message to help the user to clean the filter, but he also can clean here, click enter to clean us. And we also can filter for the location. So, for example, if we try to search for Rio de Janeiro, it should return all tickets that is in Rio de Janeiro. And we can clean using this button, and we have the list with the pagination now. And clicking on the two, it will change the list with the new tickets, where we can visit in each one to see the details. And here in the page details, we can comprar ingresso, we can buy the ticket clicking on comprar ingresso, and when we do that, it will be appear a message saying that it was added to the cart with success. So when we open the cart menu here, it will appear our ticket. And look that you have one ticket with Grand Canyon. So when we add again, it will appear true quantity with the calculation updated with success. And we also can remove, so when we remove one, the quantity is decreased and the calculation is updated. When we decrease it again, we don't have any ticket, so we don't can see anyone here and ticket here. And we also can add more than one type of ticket. So for example, if I try to add again, here we can see one ticket. But if we back to the list and add, for example, Praia do Copacabana, click on comprar ingresso, we can see two tickets here, and we can add any number of tickets that we want. And we can also delete, as I already show you. And Pascal, that's it. The platform was built following the mockup provided by Just Travel. So I made the following max of I can, and I think that it's following correctly. I also been using the API from the Just Travel. So this data is coming from the API. So if some data is fixed because API is not provided, for example, this data is fixed because I don't have it, but the others, for example, the value is coming from an API. And the same thing for this description and the title. That's it, the platform, Pascal. This is a summary. I also created stories for the application where we can see, for example, the cart menu, and we have the story when we have tickets and when we don't have tickets. I also create for the filters where we can see the appearance of the filters with Kelly, where we can interact to see how it is being worked. And that's it. And I also create for the ticket card where we can see the appearance, and for the ticket review where it's been used in two places in the platform. I also created two types of tests, unit tests using vtest, and each three tests used Cypress. To run the test, we can run npm run test, and it will execute all unit tests. I looked at we have three tests, one for cart menu, cart button, and ticket list. And we also have the three tests that we can running npm run cypress run. It will run all three tests in hitless mode. We have three tests, that is the flow for add and delete ticket in the cart, for the pagination, and for the search ticket. And look that it is working correctly, and I found some bugs when I was creating these tests. I think it was good. And we also can open the Cypress in the UI mode, where we can see better what the test is being tested. So to run it, we can run npm run Cypress open, and it will open the UI mode of the Cypress, and we can execute the three tests here. For example, the flow of the add and delete ticket card, it will add and delete card tickets in the card, and it will ensure that the platform is working correctly. And look that it was added and also deleted. And I also created a test for the pagination, where it will be paginated using these buttons and also this button, and also check if this is working correctly. And I also created a test for search ticket, where it will search for prior and see if it's returning two tickets with the title prior. And basically this is the result. I hope that you like it. I like the result, and that's it. Anything you can contact me, and thanks for watching.